We're a happy customer and we plan to keep using them, and hopefully this video helps anyone else who is trying to decide on what software system to go with. RepairDesk is definitely a good one to go with. Hi, my name is Tonya Parker. I'm a manager here at Nate's Tech Services. We are located in North Idaho and have been in business since 2018. We used to use Hello Client, which was a ticketing software system. It was very basic. That's actually why I went with them, is because it was very easy to use and I was trying to find something that was easy to kind of get into. Very quickly we realized that it didn't have all of the reports for sales tax and other features that we needed as our business was growing. So we looked out further and found RepairDesk. They have gone above and beyond in all of the things that I was needing, especially the reports for sales tax and just keeping records of that stuff. So that is the main reason why we switched over. Another big part of when switching over to a different ticketing system is the customer service, and that is one thing that I was extremely impressed with and still am after having them for over a year. Some of the features I just love. We recently switched over our point of sale system and integrated it into RepairDesk and is now using theirs, which has made things a lot simpler in keeping track of just the amounts that are being entered in for cards and not having those mistakes when you're manually entering it. The features that I love is that you can color code your ticket statuses. Creating your jobs and customizing what you want on each form is super helpful. Being able to sort by client and having all of their tickets in one area, being able to email directly to them from their ticket has been super helpful. We're a happy customer and we plan to keep using them, and hopefully this video helps anyone else who is trying to decide on what software system to go with. RepairDesk is definitely a good one to go with.